Hey everybody, and welcome to installing OpenBOM for Onshape. I've signed into my Onshape account, I've opened a document, and I've switched to an assembly tab. Next, I'm going to jump over to the Onshape App Store and run a quick search up here for BOM, and I'm going to find OpenBOM for Onshape. We're going to click that, click on subscribe, and I'll be taken to a screen where I'm asked about number of users, etc. Let's click on Get for Free. Close the demo video there and return to your Onshape document and reload the browser tab. Okay, be sure you're in an assembly in Onshape because we make BOMs from assemblies, and you'll see the OpenBOM icon will appear here on the right. So go ahead and click that. Now you're going to have a couple of choices here. Number one, if you already have an OpenBOM account, and you've set up, or you already have an OpenBOM trial, you'll go right to create BOM. If you don't, like in this case here, you're going to get this button here that says Get Trial. So go ahead and select Get Trial. If you need to create an account in OpenBOM, go ahead and do that. And then you'll return here and you'll click on Create BOM. So I hope you find that helpful. Thanks.